Here's today's Remy Quick Tech Tip, TS-043. Here's another tech tip for the Ford 7.3 liter diesel engine, model years 2000 to 2003, specifically the E-Series van, Excursion, and the F-Series Super Duty. The symptom being discussed today is when you have a hard or no start condition. We investigated the cause, and what we found was that these vehicles were equipped with a glow plug control module, and the associated connector is the culprit. For the solution, you want to inspect the glow plug control module connector for any damage and or corrosion. If damage is found, install a new connector service kit, which is Ford part number 4C3Z12B 568-AA. That's the Remy Quick Tech Tip, and it's another reason why your next starter alternator should be a Remy.